These protests we called for doesn't have anything to do with politics at all. Ours is all about fuel. Ours is all about the skyrocketing prices of basic needs.
Ivan, are you okay?
Ivan!
Ivan, are you okay? Are you okay?
They are alleging that he has incited violence through Twitter and other forms of social media. We've asked how asking for people to stay away can constitute incitement to violence.